Hi, I'm Stephanie Jaworski, and today is a very special day because JoyaBaking.com is 25 years old. Rick and I started the website back in May 15th, 1997, long time ago. We actually were living in Carmel, Indiana at the time. I was a stay-at-home mom. Our two sons were in elementary school then, and I just loved to bake. Oh, I just loved it. I baked all the time. And friends, neighbors, family. Rick was taking it into work all the time. And one day he came home to me and he said, you know, I think you need to do a baking website. There was no such thing as food blogs back then. And I kind of said to him, what's a website? Because remember, it's 97, not a lot of websites. And he explained it to me, and we sat down and we came up with a format, and the rest is history. You know, when we started, it was a hobby. And now, 25 years later, both Rick and I do this full time. It's our jobs. And it got us thinking, you know, 25 years we've been doing this, and how come we've been successful and can still do it? And there's a few reasons which I'll share with you. One, I think we realized right at the beginning, the internet is global. And that means when we do our recipes, we have to write them in a way that is for the world. And that means not just cups, which, you know, people in the US, you know, used mainly back then, but we also have to use a metric system in gram weight. And I learned that before that, in 1994, when I went to London to the Le Cordon Bleu, and I took a patisserie class. And right from the beginning, we got a scale and we had to weigh everything. And after a week of doing that, I just came home and I was just sold, and I never went back to cups. So I think that's one reason. And the other is all of our recipes are tested. I do not put anything on the site. I do not shoot a video until, you know, I decide on what I'm going to make. I research it, you know, try to come up with a recipe. I make it, and then I test it, good part. And then a lot of times I tweak it, you know, maybe ingredients, baking time, technique, because I want to familiarize myself too with the recipe so I can do a thorough video for you. And so that could be 1 time, 3 times, 6 times, whatever it takes, until I am really happy with it. So I want you to have success the first time. Watch the video, and then you can go with confidence into the kitchen. And the other thing I think that's really important, and this has been our philosophy from the beginning, is we want our content to be free. I think the internet is about the flow of free information. And so it's accessible to everyone. And so that means, I know people have asked over the years, we won't do a cookbook, because then I have to charge you, and I don't want to do that. I won't charge you, I never have, and I never will charge you for the written recipe, our videos. I will not do a paid subscription newsletter. I won't even do paid sponsorships, which means, you know, I kind of promote a product from a company. I just don't want to do that. I want you to have free content for everyone. But really, also, our success is because of you. From the very beginning to 25 years to today, you have come to our website. You know, we have a lot of regulars, and I just want to thank everyone. We appreciate it. You know, it's a joy, and you comment, and I learn from you, as well as, you know, you get the recipes, but sometimes you give me ideas, and thank you for that. And the other thing, I know people, our regulars, are going to say, hey, you're back at your beach house shooting this video. I'm sorry if you prefer this kitchen. We are only shooting this today because we kind of realized a few years ago we were shooting our videos at our beach house, and then after we did a block, we would go back to Atlanta to rest. And we're thinking we kind of got that backwards. We should shoot in the city and then come to a beach house, you know, to rest. So while we're doing that today, we're going to be back in Atlanta soon shooting more video. So as always, until next time, I'm Stephanie Jaworski of joyabaking.com.